our outdoor ice merchandiser. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 72¼ inches, a depth of 35¼ inches, and the overall height, and a height of 72¼ inches with wheels. Without the wheels, we have 68¼ inches. Merchandiser can store 10-pound ice bags. Left and right galvanized swing doors. Dual left and right fans. For the interior dimensions, we have a length of 67½ inches, a depth 27 inches. 27 inches applies from the fence towards the front before the door frame. And the interior height, we have 48 inches. Located on the ceiling will be a LED strip. Coming to the back of the ice maker, we have the power and operation switches along with the temperature control, two 110 and 120 voltage plugs, the recessed drain, along with the ETL certification and a sticker with additional information. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.